Today I'm taking a look at these collapsible storage bins from VEVOR that were sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get them out of the box and check them out. These are the 3 collapsible storage bins out of the box. They do come with a manual, so if you've never used these before, you'll know how to use them. But they are pretty straightforward. I'll take one off the other 2. But you just lift these things up. The sides push out. You push these sides here all the way out. When they're brand new, I've noticed you kind of have to go from the inside and push them the first couple times, which is completely fine. But as they get older, they will be able to just real quickly pop in. I know that because I have some other ones like these. These are actually nicer than ones I have, but when I first got them, they were hard to pop in. Not real hard, but it was like this. But now I can just pull this thing open and just barely touch them. They'll slide in. They're still just as strong as they were. I'm sure these are going to be the same way. Then you can just shut the lid. And now you've got this full crate. You can open the lid, put stuff in it. You could even halfway open the lid, fold it down in case, you don't have a lot of room on top to open the lid. Or you can open the lid, all the way up, just like that. But really nice. These things work great when you have a lot of things to store. Like right now, we're actually moving from one house to another. These things are perfect. We can put all kinds of stuff in them. We can pick different colors to put different things, different bedrooms in different colors. You can throw labels on these things with some like masking tape and store your stuff in there temporarily. But then when you're done, you don't have all these like boxes you have to throw away. You can just pop these things down. They collapse down really small. You put them on a shelf in your garage or wherever, and next time you need them, they're there. We've been taking a lot of trips from one house to the other. We can put everything in these, bring them into the new house, put all of our stuff up, collapse them down, put them back in the truck, head back to the other house, fill them up again. We can just keep going back and forth, back and forth. We don't have to have all of these moving boxes. And like I said, when you're done, you still got this really awesome storage container that collapses small. You can't beat it. I really like them. I definitely think you will too. And I hope all this information is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.